Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on converting JPG images to BMP using SysTools Image Converter. Whether you need BMP files for compatibility or high-quality processing, this tool makes the conversion process seamless. Let's get started. First, visit the official SysTools website and download the software and install it on your system. Once installed, launch the software. You'll be greeted with an easy-to-use interface designed for quick navigation. Now, click on the Add File or Add Folder button to import the JPG images you wish to convert. You can select individual files or an entire folder for batch processing. After adding your files, will appear on software screen. If you're not satisfied with the added images, you can remove that by clicking on Remove or Remove All option. Next, choose the output location for your converted BMP files. You can either select a folder or create a new one. After selecting the destination path, click Next. In Next screen, you can preview your all images. After previewing, click Next button. Navigate to the Export Formats section and select BMP as your desired output format. In Image Conversion Setting option, you can set the image quality. You can also resize your images by changing the height and width of pixels. Now, click on the Convert button. The software will process your JPG files and convert them into BMP format efficiently. Once the conversion is complete, navigate to your selected destination folder to access your BMP files. And that's it. You have successfully converted JPG to BMP. Check out the link in the video description to download SysTools Image Converter. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.